Good morning, this is Keith All, and today's tutorial is going to be part 2 in this series on how you can blend images in Photoshop. Today we have two images and we're going to blend these two together, and as you can see on the screen right now we have our end result. So we got this image of a girl, and we also have another image behind that girl. And we're going to blend these two images together. Now we're going to do this today using a gradient and a layer mask. So let's open up the new tab, and let's see how we could do this. Okay, I have two images. The top layer is, of course, as you see it right now, and the bottom layer is this image here. So what we're going to be doing is we want to have the right side of this image show, and then the left side is we're going to show the left side of this image. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to create a layer mask on this top layer. So what we do is come over here to the layers panel and click on the add layer mask icon. Now we want to make sure the add the layer mask thumbnail on this layer is selected, and now we're going to go over to the tool and we're going to select the gradient tool, and we're going to come up here to the top to the options bar and open up the gradient editor. Now we want to select the black to white gradient, so we're going to select this, click OK, and we're going to make sure that we have a linear selected up here, linear gradient. So as we draw this, we're going to draw from left to right because it's a black to white gradient. And remember, black conceals or hides, and then white reveals or shows an image. So if we draw from left to right, what it's going to do is it's going to draw the black first, the gradient, so it's going to hide this left side here, and as we come over more to the right, it's going to continue to show this right side of this image. So if you want to draw a straight line across here, I'm on a Windows PC, you hold down your shift key and click and drag, and that's how you draw your gradient. And there we go. So that is how you can blend two images together using a layer mask and the gradient tool. And if you want to turn on and off your layer mask, an easy way to do it on a Windows PC is you're going to hold down the shift key and click your layer mask thumbnail, and it turns off your layer mask. If you want to turn it back on, all you do is the same thing, hold down the shift key and click the layer mask thumbnail, and it turns the layer mask back on. So that's a shortcut key for you. Hopefully today gave you a new skill set that you could use in your Photoshop editing skill set. And remember that I upload videos every single week, and if you haven't done so already, click the subscribe button, and then click on the bell notification so you always get updated or notified when I upload a new video. Again, please like, share, and comment. If you have questions, please comment below. If you have an idea for a tutorial that you want me to do, again, comment below. I'll be glad to work on it for you. Again, thanks for stopping by and supporting this channel. I'll see you on the next video. Bye now.